Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are looking at what ratio and proportion are. What is ratio? Ratio of two quantities is the comparison by division of two quantities of same kind and same unit. The ratio of x is to y is represented as x by y. The quantity in the numerator is called antecedent and quantity in the denominator is called consequent. For example, the ratio of 8 to 10 is 8 is to 10 or 8 by 10. Now let us look at what proportion is. For quantities w, x, y, z are in same proportion when ratio of the first and the second is equal to ratio of third and fourth. That is w is to x is equal to y is to z. For example, let w equals 1, x equal to y equals 4 and z equals 8. So w by x is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to x by z which is equal to 4 by 8. When we are cancelling 4 and 8 we get 1 by 2 itself. Thus the numbers are in proportion. Now let us look at a question to understand it better. The children in 3 societies are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5. If 10 children are increased in each society, the ratio changes to 4 is to 5 is to 7. The total number of children before the increase were. Let us solve this question part by part. First, the children in 3 societies are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5. Then the ratios are given like this. Take the children in first society equals 2x. Children in second society is equal to 3x and children in third society is equal to 5x. Now 10 children are increased in each society. So new number of children in society 1 is equal to 2x plus 10. Number of children in society 2 equals 3x plus 10 and number of children in society 3 equals 5x plus 10. The new ratio is 4 is to 5 is to 7. Take it to be 4x, 5x, 7x. So number of children after 10 children were added to the 3 societies 2x plus 3x plus 5x plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 which is equal to 4x plus 5x plus 7x. On solving we get 10x plus 30 is equal to 16x. Which again reduces to 30 is equal to 6x. So we get x is equal to 5. The total number of children before the increase is equal to 2x plus 3x plus 5x which is equal to 10x. We already got that x is equal to 5. So the total number of children before the increase is equal to 10x which is equal to 10 into 5 which is equal to 50. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.